The exterior mirrors are adjusted using controls located on the driver's door. This button allows you to select the mirror you wish to adjust. You can then adjust its position using this control. The exterior mirrors fold down automatically when you lock your vehicle and unfold automatically when you unlock it. To deactivate this function, from your multimedia screen, go to the Vehicle World and press Vehicle. Select Welcome, then Automatic Mirrors Unfolding. Choose On or Off. To fold the mirrors manually, press this button. Note that the mirrors will remain folded until the button is pressed again, regardless of the automatic deployment function.